Hello guys, I hope that you guys are safe and enjoying your days. So today I'm going to tell you how you can install the washer and the dryer. I'm installing the Samsung, but you can install any dishwasher or dryer with the help of this video. So the tools and the appliances which you require for this installation requires one multi-bit screwdriver, one plier, along with the Teflon tape, because sometimes the water can seep through out. So for the safe side you need a Teflon tape or wrench, duct tape, leveler, and shipping bolts cap, cable tie, anti-skid tape, measuring tape, and hose pipe clipper, which comes with the washing machine. The only thing you need to buy two hose pipes, water hose pipes, one for the cold water and one for the hot water. So okay, let's start. So guys, first of all you need to take out the shipping boards. So with the help of wrench which you have got with the wash and dry, you can take out the shipping board. So after removing this board, you can take out the rubber cap of the shipping board. Just keep it in a safe place, because whenever you will move to some other place, you need these shipping boards, and you need to tie the shipping boards again inside this place. So total there are 4 shipping boards. You need to take out all the 4 shipping boards. So after taking out all the shipping boards, you need to fix the cap at the place of shipping board. All 4 caps you will get it with the machine. Okay guys, so there are hot and cold water. I have got the build it. So behind the sink, this is the sink, and under the sink I have these hot and cold water outlet. So I bought 2 hose pipes. So guys, after tightening it with the help of hand, I will tighten this end with the help of plier without putting any Teflon tape. After tightening the end of the hose with the hand, I will tighten it with the help of plier. So guys, I took the other end of the cold water pipe, because there are 2 inlets. One is for cold water, this blue one, and it's also written cold underneath the inlet, and then the other one is hot water. So I will connect the cold one with the cold inlet and the hot one with the hot inlet. After tightening both the water hoses at the proper place, I will tighten it with the help of plier for the safety of any water leakage. So I have tied both the hose pipes. Now I will connect the hose guide with the water drain pipe. So remember that as per the requirement, it should not be greater than 6 inches. So the outlet of the pipe, the drain which is coming inside the drain pipe, it should not be greater than 6 inches. As per the requirement, we need to at least leave 1 inch space on the sides So I am leaving around 3 inches because I have enough space in the room, and from the back we need 5 inches a minimum, so it is 5 inches. After setting up the washer, I'm just checking if the floor is level, the machine is level. So if it will not be level, then it can create a noise and it will be not feasible to install on the unleveled machine. So it is perfectly leveled, and if the machine is not leveled, then on the bottom you have leveling screws. You can adjust the screws with the help of wrench, which is given along with the machine. So we are just calibrating the machine. Initially you need to power it on, then you need to simultaneously press temp and delay end button for 3 seconds. Now you need to press the power play button, that is hold to start for almost 5 to 10 seconds until it will not start. Machine has now calibrated and it will automatically turn off. So for testing the machine, first time I just put some clothes and close the door. After calibrating the machine, I put some liquid detergent. If you want to put the powder detergent, then you need to lift the tray, and under the tray you can put the powder detergent, but right now I'm using the liquid detergent, so we can use in the same way. So I'm just testing the machine first time, so I'm doing the quick wash. So these are the settings which I did, and the approximate time it will take around 21 minutes. So I'm starting the machine now. So guys, I tested the machine first time and the pre-wash is almost completed. It is just spinning. The last time so the testing has been completed.